Good morning from Chicago. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Tuesday, August 20th. Stocks had the worst week of the year last week, but they didn't rebound yesterday. Down another 0.5%, 1644.5 in the E-mini S&P, down 6.5. The tight range was 1657 to 1642, so actually it was 13 points. It just seemed like a very, very quiet day. Dow futures were down 36, 15,002. The Nasdaq did manage to be positive in the futures market, 3071 up one tick. We saw the dollar continue to drift lower, down 13 at 81.28. That pushed the euro currency up 3 at 133.40. The euro currency, again, is consolidating, only a 60-point range between the high and low in the euro, trying to find some direction. Big mover with bonds. Bonds were down another 19, 130.14. Pushed down to 130.05. New two-year lows, new two-year highs in yields seen yesterday in some treasuries. The crude market yesterday was down 50 cents at 106.75. 107.60 high, 106.30 low. So again, consolidating there, looking to see if it's going to push up to that 108 level or if it's going to find some support at 105. And the gold market, after a big week last week, was down $6, 13.65. Did make some new relative highs, new two-month highs at 13.84 in the gold market. So where do things stand on this Tuesday morning to start a new trading day? Well, we're steady once again. We're down to a half point at 1644 in the E-mini S&P, down 2 points in the Dow futures at 15,000 even, and unchanged in the Nasdaq at 3071. Earnings season is largely over. Looking at things technically, we can see the E-mini S&P trading between the 1680 resistance, which was a pivot point, and there's not much real support till we get to 1625, 1630 in the S&P. So we're trading in kind of no man's land right now. We're getting some movement in the dollar right now. The dollar's down to 81, down 29. See if you can push below the 81 level. 80.60 is at 3-month lows and the near-term support that we'll want to see if it can push and support some asset markets. The euro currency is back near 134 at 133.87, up 43. And bonds are seeing a bit of a bounce after that surge to the downside yesterday, that drop anyways. 131.09, up 30 as we stand right now. That still puts the yield on the 30-year Treasury at 3.85%, and the yield on the 10-year note is above that midpoint that we've kept talking about at 2.81 right now. So it's above that 2.8. Keep an eye on that on a weekly basis. Crude oil is off 70 cents at 106.15, and gold's down $1.50 at 13.64. So to wrap up the current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, things are quiet. The S&P is down half a point, and the Dow futures are down 2. I will see you early Wednesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.